Firstly, I am Andrew Tate, Lord of all beasts of the land and fishes in the sea. I know everything. What I say is gospel. So firstly, the fact I said it makes it true.
Never start with the head. The victim gets all fuzzy. He can't feel the neck. You're broke! See?
Welcome to the real world!
You let 5 people die.
Who knows CPR? Well, me. Help him! No. Why? Because I ain't gay?
But I know the truth. There's no going back. You've changed things. Forever.
Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass!
You complete me.
If you're my friend, you just can't be a pussy.
To them, you're just a freak. They'll cast you out. Their code. It's a bad joke.
So none of my friends would even have those kind of problems because I don't roll with fucking little bitches.
These civilized people, they'll eat each other. See, I'm not a monster.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!